Hello everybody, this is Leo at Lead Time. So now the coronavirus is becomes the most important thing for everybody. I know hand sanitizer it become kind of crazy. It's hard to buy, and if you find some, I check on eBay. The price is crazy. So today I want to show you to make a DIY hand sanitizer. I just came back from my local store. Actually, I did search online recipe like using aloe vera gel and alcohol. It's very popular, but I couldn't find any of those, even including the alcohol. So vodka, so that's the other options we can have. But just remember, when you're using vodka, check the proof. As the CDC said, when you use the alcohol, the concentration has to be at least 60%. So there are two terms. So one is a proof, one is a percentage. So proof is 2 times percentage. So if you see like a 80 proof of vodka, that is pretty common. That means it's a 40%. So it doesn't work. Don't use that. Just drink. Just kidding. But there are some other very high concentration vodka. I found this one. So it is 189 proof. That means it is 94.5% alcohol. I did check at WHO. So when you make your own hand sanitizer, you gotta make sure you use alcohol. But the alcohol can come from sugar or wheat. So vodka, this one come from grain, so that's about the same, So that's the same thing as WHO recommended. So the recipe, higher concentration is better, but you don't want to use this. Just use as much as you need. Our goal is more than 60%. So the recipe is when you find like a 94.5%, the 189 proof vodka, so you dilute it. You use 2 parts of vodka and 1 part of distilled water. So I'm a hydrosol lover, so I use hydrosol. So that means 2 times vodka and 1 time hydrosol. And also, I gotta add some drops of essential oil in it. Just make has some better smell. So let's just do it. So 2 parts of the vodka. I use a beaker because it has a measure. But if you don't have it, you don't need it. You just use a measuring cup. So I add about 40 milliliter. So that means I can add a half volume of my hydrosol. So I gotta add another 20. Okay. So just shake it before you pour in your bottle. So you can see it's clear. Now I gotta add several drops of this lavender essential oil. I forgot it. This is a lavender hydrosol. This is a fresh made. You can see a little bit cloudy. I'll add a couple drops. Yep. Because I didn't make a big batch, So I just add about 3 or 4 drops. Yep. So it's funny. Now it just smells like a lavender water. Okay. The other thing, because this is in water, like a water is a liquid, so you need a spray bottle. So you need a spray bottle to spray on your hand. Okay. So add in the spray bottle. Yep, I'm safe. So the other thing, when you're using the high concentration alcohol, don't use with any flame around, because it can get a fire. So that's just some safety things. Okay, so next time I'm gonna show you to make hand soap by using the plant-based or organic-based material. Okay, thank you. If you like my channel, subscribe it. We are going to have more videos coming up. See you next time.